Before you watch my video, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Versatile Cooking. Today I will be cooking Yakhni Pulao for you. So let's get started. For Yakhni Pulao we need 1 kg mutton, 2 onions and 2 garlic, 4-5 bay leaves, 3 tablespoon coriander seed, 3 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon salt, 4 tablespoon oil, whole garam masala, 2 medium size sliced onion, 15 roughly chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup yogurt, few drops of 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗯𝗃 essence, a pinch of orange food color, 1 kg basmati rice, 1 glass of milk. For yakhni, put mutton in a cooker. Put onions and garlic bulbs. Add fennel seed, coriander seeds, salt, bay leaf and water. Now close the lid and cook up to 6-7 whistles. Now your yakhni is ready. If you find your meat is uncooked, then take 2 or 3 whistles more. Separate the meat from the stock and strain the stock in a bowl and keep aside. Heat oil in a heavy base pot. Put whole garam masala. Let it crack. Now add 1 sliced onion and saute it. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and sear it for 1 minute. Add green chilies. Add yakhni meat. Add yogurt. Add few drops of 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗯𝗃 essence and mix it well. Now add yakhni stock. Add milk. It will make your rice white in color. Add water and salt according to your taste and bring it to boil. Add rice and leave it to cook. Put 3 tablespoons of oil. Heat it. Put 1 sliced onion and fry it until golden brown. Take 2 teaspoons of water, add few drops of 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗯𝗃 essence and a pinch of orange color and splash it over the pulao. Lastly, temper your pulao with fried onions. Now your delicious Yakhni Pulao is ready to serve. If you enjoyed my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.